Beatrix Potter was a writer, illustrator, and conservationist. She is best remembered for her best-selling children's books, such as The Tale of Peter Rabbit, stories that combine her love for both animals and the English countryside. In her later life, she bought a substantial amount of land in the Lake District and on her death donated it to the National Trust, helping to preserve a significant part of the Lake District National Park. Beatrix was born in Kensington, London to middle-class Unitarian parents. Her father, Robert, was a distinguished lawyer, and her mother, the daughter of a wealthy merchant. Her parent, Her parents were also artistic, and this artistic talent was passed on to Beatrix. She spent much of her early life in her own company. She rarely saw her brother Ewan, who was sent to boarding school. Having little social contact with children on her own age, Beatrix began to be drawn into her own world of creating her own stories based on animals. Beatrix was a naturally gifted artist and with some art lesson. She also learned the technical side of drawing. The use of personified rabbits in the story draw children in through their natural love of animals. Miss Potter used an unstuffy voice, telling the story descriptively using some terms that children may not understand, but still with beautiful watercolor illustration on every page. Miss Potter's illustrations are iconic and work of art in their own right. With their level and detail, they can tell a story even without words on the opposite page. I love that even though the theme of the book is about children delinquency and the natural consequences of such delinquency. But Miss Potter doesn't preach or talk too much in illustrating the themes, but rather lets the story do the talking. Set mostly in Mr. McGregor's garden, the story transcends time as this could happen to any mischievous young rabbit at any time in any garden. Peter behaves like a typical boy and his misadventure into Mr. McGregor's garden keep the reader glued throughout the story, hoping Peter can escape. Although Mr. McGregor is portrayed as the aggressor who made Peter's father get a cookie from Peter for trespassing in his garden. I'm sure all gardeners or farmers would feel represented in Mr. McGregor's frustration at having his vegetable eaten by a trespassing animal. And also, Beatrix Potter wrote this book about the tale of Peter Rabbit and that children should always listen to their parents. Peter Rabbit's mother warned him not to go into Mr. McGregor's garden because that is how his father died. Peter doesn't listen to his mother and decides to go see him anyways. This creates problems in his journey to the specific destination he will take. This book is a children book that allows children to observe and make opinions on what happens to children that don't listen to their parents. In the real world, it is important to teach children about the importance of safety and stranger danger.